Hello lovely friends, here is a sneak peek of today's Christmas decoration. So just a little sneaky peeky here to let you know what I'm doing just a little bit. And I just want to say first of all, thank you so much to my wonderful subscribers, my member MJ Fluid Art, and an excited welcome to Angela Bliss Art. Kim and I are doing another wonderful collab, and the three of us are doing a Christmas one today. And mine is a spray painted Christmas advent calendar with secret gifts inside. So here are the colours. It's a spray painted one. I'm very excited to show you this today. So if you haven't seen my wonderful friend Angela Bliss Art, please go to her channel and give her some love and support. Can't wait to see what she's done today. And please go to my wonderful friend Kim's Art Alchemy channel too and give her some love and support. So these two wonderful ladies, the three of us, are having a little Christmas do today, and it's a challenge by Angela to do a Christmas decoration. So you can guess what I'm doing, can't you? I've made it quite obvious. Give you a few sneak peeks and you can see it now. I went along to the range and I bought this last year, and I really wanted to do something with it, but it's been sat there for a year and I haven't thought about what I'm going to do, because each time I think about what I'm going to do I change my mind. And then when Angela challenged us to this, I thought, oh, I'm going to have to do something with it. So I got out all the drawers, I painted it green as you can see, and I'm using my light green spray paint to give it some texture and some lightness. And I'm building up the paints as I go along. I'm just going to leave you shortly just to watch and have this as a nice relaxing perhaps an ASMR video, just so you watch this Christmas tree come to life. And I'll come back towards the end as I begin to do the detail and add the numbers. I'm just adding a little bit of highlight to the white parts of the planet, and I did a bit of a touch up on the black bits as well, and I'm just really loving this. It just came from nowhere. This symbolic 3 planets leading up to the Northern Star, it had such meaning for me. I love Christmas. I love the idea of inclusion and of family, whatever that means to you. And there's a nod to children, to everyone who celebrates Christmas, and to those who enjoy rainbow colours. So it's just such an inclusive thing for me to use this colour scheme. So I'm just giving you a bit of a taster. I got a really nice metallic oldie woldy numbers stencil, and I'm using some lovely gold, and I tried 4 different golds to begin with, and you can see which one is the brightest one. It ended up not being my favourite, Pebeo, and it wasn't my other favourite, which is Arteza. It wasn't Triart either. It was golden, beautiful, fine, iridescent gold. So I really enjoy using that one. So I'm just getting my paintbrush. You could use a palette knife if you like, and I'm literally just dabbing it and wiping off as much of the gold as I can, so it gives it a bit of a 3D appearance. And what I'm going to do afterwards is I'm going to varnish it, and I would really like to donate this piece to, I had a place in mind, Little Harbour down the road, but I haven't been able to get through to them so far. So I'm gonna, if not, I'll donate it to a children's ward. You never know where this will end up, but I just feel like some children would really benefit from this and would really love it. So I got some little bits and pieces, and I put them inside the drawers, including little badges with I'm a star on it, little angels, crystals, all sorts of things, just little lovely things. And then I wrote out some stickers that I was going to put in it as well. Little things like Angel's Helper, Love's Messenger, and Special Star of the Day, things like that. So I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, I'd love it if you would subscribe. It really does help my channel. It sustains all of my videos, and I try to make them teaching videos or relaxing videos. And I love hearing your comments and your requests, so please let me know if you've got anything you're interested in. I'm knee deep at the moment in colour requests, but if you still would like some, keep them coming, because I do have a folder that I put all the bits in that I see. And if I don't get a reply to you, please do come back. Sometimes I forget or I don't see a comment. You know how life is and how we get distracted. There's my little angel. So I'm really excited today to see what Angela from Angela Bliss Art has done. She's a lovely friend. It's been a wonderful getting to know her over the last few months. And my dear friend Kim, we love our collabs together, and I really hope you're enjoying our Talent Tuesdays and our little collabs on a Tuesday in particular. Please check out her channel and subscribe if you haven't, and give her some love and support. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, a very happy Christmas, whatever it means to you. Just think about family at Christmas. It might be that it's you and your dog, it might be that it's you and your friend, it might be you and a partner, it might be your actual blood family or your family of life. Whatever it is, look after you, and don't forget, your art is a piece of you. Take good care now. See you soon, I hope.